Come back. Don't be afraid.
I can fix you.
No more games. No more lies.
Let's be scared.
Get
Happy.
You?
I know when your birthday is. June 28th.
Wait, I recognize you. Yes, I remember. You used to work here. How are you? Alive. Barb? Oh. Barb says you're looking for your coworkers. Catnap wouldn't like that you're here. You should leave. For your own safety.
You're the one they've been talking about. We're not the first to try and take out the prototype.
I can see you.
Zoe the Snowman!
He's stretch you, he's down you, he's squish you, he's fun you. D-O-E-Y. He's silly, he's goo you, he's sticky, he's glue you. D-O-E-Y.
Look at all the colors!
So many tools and one.
Call the number on screen and order your doing to...
A good day keeps the monsters away. 2 hugs a day is better in every way.
Welcome home. Your conscience finally getting the better. Finding all the way
The name's Yarnaby. Would you wanna be my friend? Press the button to brush my name.
Ugh, I'm in. Yay!
Hiya there, pal. Follow me. I promise I won't bite.
What have you done?
Catnap!
Come back. Don't be afraid.
I can fix you.
No more games. No more lies. Nope. Wow.
Me.